Hi, I'm Maria Bailey, and I'm at Toy Fair discovering all the new cool toys for you and your family. And if you're on Amazon.com right now, you probably are looking for a gift. Well, I found one for you that combines a really top selling, actually, one of the top 10 top selling toys on Amazon with play. And Alyssa is here to tell us all about it.
Well, I'm really excited to show you Sculptapalooza. This is a brand new party game that just launched on Amazon end of January from Educational Insights. And it is super fun using best-selling play foam that you mentioned to craft different figures and to make really exciting gameplay. So what you do is you pick a card and you have to make a castle or an Elvis impersonator, maybe Humpty Dumpty or a wishing well, all while using squishy squashy play foam. So much fun. You can gather your friends and family, and it's the first time that Educational Insights has done an adult party game, so we're really excited to introduce Sculptapalooza.
And I love the fact that the cards are also in Spanish, so you can play it with so many people, so much fun, and it makes a great hostess gift. If you're going to a party and you want to take something fun with you, I guarantee you this is one of those games everyone will want to join in on. Well, thank you so much.
Thank you.
And I'm Maria Bailey here on Amazon.com at Toy Fair.